Our car got stuck. We are almost at our fishing point. Captain Matin is coming from there and he's checking out the especially Rahu spot. He meet with our Sai Vakar Shah Saab. How are you, sir? Thank you very much for this invitation. You always invite us. So precious, so amazing. And the lunch was so amazing. It was so delicious. Thank you very much. So, Captain Musab, car got stuck. So what happened, Captain? What do you think about sport? Have you seen it?
Yeah, I seen it, and we will go a little down.
Okay, so can
Place.
okay,
Inshallah,
great.
we will. Repair.
So do you think there are row running around there or not?
Yeah, that place is fitting area, bro.
Amazing, but
Catch.
this looks also amazing.
Yeah, it's down.
No problem, inshallah, we will catch row. Now car got stuck. The boys are getting it out. Oh, I almost went into Khada. Now I'm going to no, and no need of me, and these guys are helping out so much. That Shokat, what do you think? Can Musab do it? So fun around here. बानड़ी बाधी हुआ. Look at this dust show. Oh, you have seen water show, now you can see the dust show. So this is Indus River, So meet Mr. Shokat, who is sitting and waiting for the captain, and he's selecting a spot,
Yes.
especially for Rahu.
Now,
And here is Mr. Musab. He's also senior, He knows. What do you think? This place is good for the Rahu or not?
very nice place.
Very nice.
Very nice place.
How many Rahu can you catch from here? Around 10 or 20? So what do you think, Shaukat Ali? How many Rahu can we catch?
His point is very good,
Uh,
but also fishing is hard work.
it's a depend on the luck actually,
Yes, yes.
Yeah, exactly. He's saying that this place is also good. You can see the water speed is lower than before, as we came around 2 weeks ago. The water level was high, but now it's slowed down. Now it's getting more down. Yes. But I think, according to my perception, my observation, that there are rohus around here and kasla as well. We can catch here a giant rohu. That's our target, and we will get it, inshallah. Get it?
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Usab, can you catch? Yes, inshallah. Best of luck.
Captain Martin.
We are waiting for the Captain Matin. Yes, exactly.
Point selecting. I am waiting. Daniel waiting. Musa waiting.
So I think Musab should try a line here as well.
Yes, yes.
So we can know the water level.
Yes, water level is.
So it's better to taste rather than sitting here,
My English thoda.
No, it's good. It's good enough. You are speaking well. Our audience is understanding well.
Good.
So I think Mr. Musab
I
should
am
try.
funny.
Okay, good luck, inshallah. See you. Oh, what a bull, yaar.
Wow.
It's cat. Is it Rohu?
Row.
Rohu, yes.
Beautiful.
It's amazing. So there was a jump off.
Is line whittling.
then we will catch you, okay? You get?
Okay.
So inshallah, Musa will try. So we will see. So finally we saw a jump. It means that fishes are running around here, especially rohu. So Mr. Musab is trying to throw a line to check a water level, as I said him to taste. It's better to check rather than sitting and wasting time. Shaukat Ali is also coming. Let's
I am
see who
coming.
knows. Let's see who knows better.
Yes, I am.
Uchla. So you can see this. Damn. So far away. He looks small, but he has a strength to throw a line. Oh, this one also good. Where it is? Oh, it's like a rocket. Shaukat Ali, what do you think? The water level is high, speedy?
Speedy is line your zoom is zoom. Water
Ah,
level is speed zoom.
so you,
Water.
so we will not be able to hunt here
No. But come to
over there.
over there.
Yes. Let's check. Let's see which place Captain Matin selects. Then we will hunt there. Over there. Okay, let's go there. So it's better not to waste time here, I think. So I think Musab Bhai has found a good place. You can see. So Musab Bhai, what do you think? So is this good one?
यार आने गुड वन तो गाँव की जहाँ फिलहाल जगह मना कंफर्म कौन है ना not
What-
confirm
but it's
not
still a
good.
not good, but
No,
just
not
a
bad.
fine, just a fine.
Just a fine.
Yes.
Mana
What is this? What is this? This is a Vacro. This is huh?
this is macro.
He's coming back. Let's ask him that does he find that place or not. Captain Martin,
Yes sir.
tell me about this spot. Did you find or not?
No sir. There was very fast water.
Yes, exactly. Same here. So should we go back or what?
Let's see here.
Okay. So sir, so do you?
चला नहीं जा रहा है देखते हैं
Why did you walk even you had a bike?
बाइक छोड़ दी अभी
So let's see.
This guy is very thinking. He is lying.
He's tired. He's tired. So tired.
His leg is
So he should eat well. He should eat fish and healthy food.
healthy.
Badam pista.
पता था कहीं
Barocha sir. Beautiful, beautiful morning at the river. So beautiful morning. And the bad luck happened last night that unfortunately, we so far no result of roe. Only little small catfishes around here. And you can see Captain Mateen, Musab, Shokat, all are sleeping. I'm just awake. I'm the only one who's awake and guarding the wow, so beautiful view of river. So finally we are moving to another place. This is our ship getting started. Wow, we are into the river. Buffalo is sitting in the boat with us, with the whole team. Buffalo is also going for fishing, and there are birds flying. This is main Darya, Indus River. उत्तरी खैर लो में बिस्मिल्लाह उत्तरी खैर शाम हो चुकी थी, सूरज ढलने लगा था। सूरज को आप डूबता हुआ देख सकते हैं। बहुत ही प्यारा सनसेट का व्यू। अब डिनर का भी टाइम हो चुका है। शाहजेब भाई का शुक्रिया जिन्होंने ये डिलीशियस डिनर तैयार कराया। माशाल्लाह ये आप देख सकते हैं सनराइज़ का टाइम लैप्स। बहुत ही खूबसूरत दरिया का माहौल दूसरे दिन की शुरुआत अब हो चुकी है। अब आज देखते हैं कि शिकार लगता है कि नहीं। बहुत ही माशाल्लाह प्यारा मौसम। So far no result. Welcome to third day. So we are having some breakfast. You can see it's so delicious. Thanks to Mr. Shazib. Shazib, look here. It's so amazing. Jazakallah khair. Thank you very much, sir. So let's eat together. What?
No result, but food is best. Sangat good.
Amazing. Still with passion?
Yes,
Amazing.
my friend Shadab Chal, he's a hospital. Good.
My bosom friend.
Amazing, amazing.
I
Mashallah.
थोड़ी बहुत है.
Now I'm going to eat, okay? Go, go, go.
सर दोस्तों हम लोग हम मच्छी के शिकार के लिए आए थे, मगर खुद मच्छी का चारा बन गए अभी। तो हमारा प्रोग्राम हो गया अभी नहाने का, एंजॉय करने का। सॉरी आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश।
No problem. Go and swim.
और हम अभी नहाने लगे, मजा लेने लगे।
Enjoy, enjoy.
मजा।
Enjoy, enjoy.
फायदा हो गया।
Tidak apa ada. Aku ada.
After seeing them, I'm also.
Ada.
Ah.
Kita apa ya? Wow.
तारू को ना लोड ना मनी.
Ya.
Enjoy. Kalti. What? अरे
अभी देखियो।
अल्ले अरे so much fun. So kabaddi is on the river. Wow, amazing. Well done. Boxing एवढं होया. हल्ल वारो करो. हल्ल. Oh, well done. पेट्टू माया रे केडा. बड़े शौकत वा रिटायर फौजी हैं. इंजरी थी यार. ना शौकत लग गया है. डोड़ा से दोस्तों शिकार तो नहीं लगा, लेकिन हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया, बहुत सारा एडवेंचर किया। तो अब घर की तरफ रवानगी है। अब मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए हमें इजाज़त दीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़, गुड बाय।